show you how you fetch internal links from a specific page, from a specific URL. So let's get started. And I just opened few of the pages. Let me copy this and put the URL in A2. I put the instruction over here as well and created a custom menu. Click on custom menu and then the get internal links. You will get the anchors plus the links, the internal links attached to it. So yeah, these are the anchor text and the URL attached to it, the internal links. And let's get started and try another page. I am just reading this, so let's put it in. And I change the URL in A2 and then run the function to fetch the internal links. So the anchors are in B column and the links in the C. It's good for like the SEO audit, whenever we check whether the links are opening or we do the proper internal linking to the page, so we can audit our own website as well. I read the article at Healthline, and when we copy this link and put it in the A2, just run the function and you will get the internal link attached to it. You will get the idea, the content ideas and the proper internal linking structure if you applied well. So this is quite useful for us, right? Thank you.